Welcome in, welcome back, guys. I'm working on an old car. Where my part at? Freaking older model Wrangler, guys. Power steering leak, no big deal. Y'all know I don't like insulting y'all with these little rinky-dink petty jobs, but it's worth the discussion because I want to ask y'all opinion. What are y'all doing out there? I know a lot of you guys work on older model cars. I barely see older model cars. But anyway, I'm getting ready to do this. Guys, do you know I forgot that when you order a power steering pump, the pulley don't come in it? That's how much I've been in this bubble. So look what I got. I got me a new power steering pump, right? There's no pulley on here. Now I'm aware that this is a press fit pulley, but I haven't used my tool in so freaking long. I don't even know if I got it. Now, a lot of guys say they don't take this off, but I left this out of the estimate, guys, so I don't want to get in trouble going back to them. Look, man, I need $50 more. No, why you didn't say it in the beginning? Because I didn't think. Who out there are y'all? Let me ask this. Let me do it like this. Are y'all still swapping pulleys? Because once this is pressed off and pressed back on, don't you lose fit? I'm sure you do, but I guess if I done a, look at that. Don't void your warranty. Always flush the system. Yes, I'm gonna flush it. No phone number by it and everything. But I'm tripping because I did not get a freaking pulley. Now, will I need it? I mean, that's likely nothing wrong with this one, guys. But I'm just talking from a lot of guys always say don't get one if you don't need it. You know, I understand y'all sensitivity level out there as far as wasting customer money. You know, spending cut. One guy jumped my butt real good. That's why I don't like going to blah 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 blah. Y'all, that's all y'all do is charge for stuff they don't need. Like, dude, I don't make the final. Come on out of here, baby. Yeah, I already took this off at the gear, steering gear. This car's so old. There's not a rack and pinion. All right, I'm gonna set this up here and drain it. But I'm still stuck on the part. I gotta go see if I got it. I might have to go borrow somebody. Pulley remover. Reason I didn't take this hose off because I'm replacing it as well. But this is crazy. So guys, let me drain this. We're gonna go. If I remember correctly, right? You need to be on a vise. Tell you, man, don't laugh, guys. I promise you, I ain't did one of these in so long. But I know I got the tool. Now, I don't even remember what drawer the tool is in, but I will find it. Yeah, your little thing grab right here, pull that off, and you gotta, sometime an installer come in the box. Look at this, I done made a mess for no reason. Yeah, no installer in here. Installer is simply a screw and a washer. When you're driving on, you're just pressing in there, but I might not need it, guys. I ain't gonna get one if I don't need it. In other words, I'm not gonna waste customer money, so. Let me go see if I can find my tool. And we're gonna get this replaced. Yeah, I'm doing the hoses and the power steering pump and the alignment. Y'all know these Jeeps alignments are real tricky, guys. Let me grab a fender cover as well. But yeah, this is my new pump. It just had a little leak in it, guys. He didn't want no power steering leak. I didn't think to show y'all the leak at the bottom, but we'll see. All right, so hold tight. Let me go find my tool. See if we can get this done. All right, I might need y'all help. Y'all hang around. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. Let's go to my junky old. Look at that. Y'all see that? This is my toolbox. This toolbox I work out of. I don't want. Yeah, a lot of guys always asking me to do tool reviews. Man, I'm so unorganized. I don't want to disappoint you guys. I know some of you guys think JT a professional. He got his stuff just perfect. I will, however, show off some of my. This is my ASE. No, I got a master plaque somewhere. Make sure y'all see that is me, guys. JT. I got a couple awards. I got a lot of stuff. It's just 50-year Master Tech award. I was one of the top guys. All right, that ain't why I came over here. I think, yes, this is the drawer. Look, guys. See what I mean? I can't do a tool review now. I would disappoint you guys. This is what I'm looking for right here. All right, this is used to remove it. Now, okay, I don't recall having an installer. Like I say, I'm used to the box having an installer in it, but it's just a simple screw with a nut on it and a washer that drives it on. But I'll borrow one from one of my buddies. But for now, guys, let's get this pulley off. I don't know, like I say, this is not nothing new. This is nothing fancy, nothing technical about it. You guys are pros. Y'all yank this on. Ooh, I got this on wrong. All right, guys, let's get this pulley off. Ooh, righty, guys. Got the pump right here. Let's see. Yeah, you gotta make sure this will go on it. All right, let me spend a little time setting this up, guys. Hold tight. Alright, guys, so much for that plan. My tool, it's not getting all the way in the groove. See, this right here has to get in this groove. Now you got another option you can use, which is this one, but this won't sit in there flush. So I am forced to get another pulley, guys. I didn't really want to do this anyway, but I really want to make sure I can't. I would do it if I had to. Like, it's just not, the groove's not sitting in there. This option right here, the groove's not sitting. So when I go to pull on it, it just slips right off. All right. So much for that. Now, here comes the daunting task of seeing if we got one and how much is it. All right. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. We're going to get this power steering working. I can best believe that. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Look what just showed up. Yes, new pulley. Okay, y'all saw the deal. I had a hard time getting that off with this, and I think it's cracked, so it doesn't matter. We're getting a new one. Now with this one, all I need is an installer, right? Y'all know what? I don't have one, so I have to go borrow one. Guys, this is fairly simple. Okay, you set it on here, and the driver is nothing more than the reverse of a puller. You're just gonna put a bolt down here, and a nut gonna be on it to where you drive this on. And the good part about this is I can see the depth, okay, and how much depth I'm looking at, all right, as opposed to going in the blind. I like it like this. All right, so let me get this pressed on. I gotta get this car going, guys. This car's supposed to be done. All right, let's get it.